There's a couple different ways to get Amazon Prime free, and you can even get it free for up to 6 months. There's a special link in the description that will take you to that page. So if you're between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student, you can actually get Amazon Prime for up to 6 months for $0. And after that, it's actually only $7.49 a month or $69 per year, which is about half price after you're done with your 6 month trial. You also get 5% cash back, which is something not available to regular Amazon Prime members. And you get $0 food deliveries through Grubhub Plus and unlimited streaming through Prime Video. And of course, a lot of fast delivery and other special discounts and prices. So if you scroll down on this page, you're going to see Prime for Young Adults here at the bottom, or Prime for Young Adults, the annual plan after trial. And you can try it free for 6 months. That's a long time to try Amazon Prime for free. And if you're not between 24 or 18 and 24, then you click this button right here and it takes you to a free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime. You don't get that 5% cash back that the Amazon Prime for Young Adults get, but you do get all of those other benefits that we looked at, like unlimited streaming, Grubhub Plus, and even some more benefits. Now at the bottom, you're going to see these different prices for Prime Monthly and Prime Annual, and you'll see Prime Access, which is actually a special discounted rate for those who qualify. So you can click on Prime Access, which is about 50% off, and try that free for 30 days. And also you can get to it by this question here that says receiving government assistance, and you go through and you qualify through the forms, and you can actually get Amazon Prime at a discounted rate. That's how you can get Amazon Prime for free, and actually Amazon Prime for up to 6 months free in 2026.